What's up, guys? This is Miles. I'm going to show you how to replace the defective hood latch sensor on the 2014 Jeep Compass. I believe this part is the same. It's the whole hood latch actually for 2013, 2014, 2015, and 2016. But just for sure I know the late 2013s, that's a 2014 body style. I don't know about the early 2013s with a different front end on them. The whole latch has to be replaced. They do not just sell the sensor individually. I also couldn't find it at AutoZone or Nap or anywhere like that. Dealership wanted $120 for it. I was able to find it online at ChryslerParts.com for $70 shipped to my house, which isn't bad. It's two 10mm bolts. It's pretty easy to get to. One plug and of course the cable here. Should only take a couple minutes. Here's a new part. Exact same part as one sitting right here. So should be fairly easy. Let's get to it. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing down here. Let's see there. So you just feed this little guy in right here. Yeah, loosen up pretty easy. I don't know if you can see, but where the little cable is here, I'm going to try to get you a better view there. Right there, the cable. I'm going to try to get that off here. You just got to pull this little spring back here and feed it out. Take this off before you take it out. And then it's got one of them little plastic clips that are a pain in the ass to pop you with your finger. If you got fat fingers like me, it's a pain in the butt. But hey. All this because I'm too lazy to grab a screwdriver that I'm sure would take me a minute. I'll be right back. Grab a screwdriver. There you go. Got a small screwdriver. Hopefully this will make it easy. I'm sure they make special tools for this, but I don't have one. There we go. Not so hard. So you probably just want to get yourself a little flathead screwdriver. Does the trick. And all you gotta do is just finger tight these bad boys out. And for this clamp there, I don't know if you can see that. All you gotta do is just pop it back like I did, and then just should unplug here. Yeah, you just push down there, it just unplugs. Makes it easier. I'll just tuck this out of the way. Get to this bolt with your finger. should be able to just finagle this bad boy out of there. Just this stupid little sensor right here is trash. It looks like it's broken. I don't know how that happened, but we're having issues with it for a while. Just feed this bad boy right in there, just like the old one. Do the exact opposite of what I just did. See, there's two bolt positions on this on the right side. This does go in the lower one. All you have to do is reference your. All you have to do is reference the one you pulled off. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm at the top one there. It goes right at the top one. So I was looking at it upside down, so I'm actually putting it in the wrong screw hole. This may be the same hood latch sensor for 2017s. I'm not sure, since they did a few changes to the car. My fingers are really greasy. You guys might want to do this with gloves, probably be a little easier. This doesn't have to be very tight either. Alright, then all we should be able to do is guide this piece in, pop it in like the old one, right through there, and we'll plug it in. Yeah. About to be the moment of truth. Plugged right in, so make sure you clear all your tools before starting the hood. But I shouldn't have to tell you that. Alright. There's our new one. This is a pretty front end. This is a good little car, man. Here we go. We'll see. Let's see if it works. Let's close the hood, lock it up, and use the key fob. Alright, my wife with there's tons of keys on it. Alright, hit the button twice. There she goes. Works perfect. Auto starts working again. $75 fix, much cheaper. Well, I don't know if yours is doing the same as mine. I just pushed the button twice beforehand. The lights would light up, but nothing would happen. So quick little change, that's it. I hope this helps out anybody who was having issues looking it up on YouTube like I was. I googled it and I found a lot of people complaining, but I didn't find any videos. So you guys have a good day and a good weekend. Thank you.